How to review groups you searched for on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to review groups you've searched for on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down, click settings and privacy, and then settings, and go down here until you find activity log. Click on it and go down. Click here, look at actions and other activity, and click this one, groups you searched for, and that's how to review groups you searched for on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.